I hear this all the time. I just need more customers. I need more sales. And it's a big problem for many small business owners, and especially for female business owners between 40 and 60 years who need to sell face to face. The problem is you are great at what you do. You've got fabulous products or services, but you hate the idea of selling and you don't know how to sell. And now your sales have plateaued in the last 6 months. And you're struggling to convert your leads that are coming from your marketing. Are you missing out on thousands of dollars every month because of these missed sales? Have you even considered giving up, getting a job, because your business isn't giving you the money or the freedom that you expected? It's frustrating, right? I'm Katherine Minett, sales success business coach and sales trainer at Minett Sales Academy. And what I do is I coach and train female business owners who are 40 to 60 years who need to sell face to face and are struggling to make consistent sales. I help her to handle her sales fears because this is a big reason why women struggle to make sales. I help her find her ideal customer, and I help her to know exactly what to say and how to say it when she's in front of a potential customer. And ultimately, I help her to double her sales without feeling salesy. Now, I've been in corporate doing direct sales for over 30 years, and I'm the winner of 3 Representative of the Year awards. And I have a consistent track record of exceeding my sales budgets in multinational corporations. So you could say I've learned a thing or two about sales. I'm now in pursuit of supporting and empowering female business owners just like you to confidently make sales and grow your business so you can impact your communities with employment, education, and community spirit. Because when women succeed in business, everyone wins. Now, I'm running a 60-minute live sales masterclass on Zoom where I teach you how to do it. And it's free. I tell you exactly what you need to think, what you need to do, and what you need to say to be able to double your sales. Now, this is not a sales pitch. It's pure sales training. And with my sales training and coaching, transforming your sales fears into confidence and sales success is easy. So join me. It's free. Register now for my sales masterclass here at minettssalesacademy.com/sales masterclass, or click the QR code here. I look forward to seeing you there.